In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accounts on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath account settings and select your info. And then where it says adjust your photo, you can either take a photo by opening up the camera app, or you can browse your computer locally to see if there's any images you want to upload or change as your default picture here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.